Single-phase wiring installation is the most common wiring in residential buildings. Today I will be showing you on how to wire a single-phase consumer unit. A utility pole is a column or post used to support overhead power lines. An electric meter is a device used to measure the electrical energy usage of a home, building, or other electrically powered device. A double-pole MCB is a safety switch used to protect all the electrical circuits. A circuit breaker is an electrical safety device designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by an overcurrent or short circuit. Its basic function is to interrupt current flow to protect equipment. Neutral bus bar is for connecting neutral points, while the earth bus bar for grounding. But before that, sub to the channel will be fantastic. Now let's drop live and neutral cables to the electric meter. Connect the cables from the meter to double pole MCB. Connect the neutral cable to neutral bus bar. Connect live cable to the circuit breakers by looping. The outgoing of the circuit breakers are connected to the sub-circuits, final sub-circuits, and electrical devices and appliances. Neutral and earth are also connected to the sub-circuits, final sub-circuits and electrical devices and appliances. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new videos. Thank you for watching.